This is how we plant our rows with hard work. These rows we have already done with a hoe, garden tool, and a rake. This is how we form them up. Just do it side by side until you can build up a good mound. And then that's it. All you got to have is a willing child that will work with you, and you can get a lot done. I know we have some children that give you a whole lot of mouth. But thank God, I was taught how to curve that mouth early before it gets too wild out there. Y'all understand what I mean. But these are our rows. This is what we have done so far. Not done yet. But I just decided to show y'all how we form up our rows. That's that. I'll talk to y'all later.